According to SimilarWeb data, direct traffic was the top source of desktop visits to Amazon.com last month, accounting for 62% of the total. That's a lot. But that also means 38% of customers start their shopping journey outside Amazon. It means that if you have only been advertising and marketing inside Amazon, you are missing out on a lot of potential. In this video, I will be sharing with you some valuable insights on how to drive external traffic to your Amazon listings. I will start by explaining what external traffic is and why it is important. Then, I will explain why you should drive external traffic to your Amazon listings and what are the best external traffic sources for Amazon. Keep watching till the end of the video to learn the most common mistakes sellers make while driving external traffic and the best practices for how to drive external traffic to Amazon listings. If reaching more potential customers is your goal, you will definitely want to check this out. I talked about 14 factors that influence the Amazon rank algorithm in one of my recent videos. Then, I went into detail about the importance of text match, categories, pricing, and the length of the time the item has been listed on Amazon in my last videos. If you haven't watched these videos yet, I recommend you watch them after this video to understand better how to rank your books higher on Amazon. Today, I want to dive into the importance of driving external traffic to Amazon listings. Let's start with what is external traffic and why it is important. Simply, external traffic refers to any traffic that comes into your Amazon listings from outside of Amazon. Well, Amazon has powerful internal advertising solutions for sellers, but using external traffic to advertise your products helps you stay ahead of the competition since it's an unconventional approach and very few sellers try to do it. Driving more traffic to your product listings generally leads to higher sales and improves your BSRs. As a result, the visibility of your product increases and you can get even more organic sales after having some conversions. On the other hand, if you don't drive external traffic to your product pages correctly, it may hurt your BSRs. I will talk about the best practices for how to drive external traffic to Amazon listings at the end of the video, so do not miss that section. But before this, let's check together what are the external traffic sources. There are different sources of external traffic. If you check this chart that shows last month's external traffic sources of desktop visits to Amazon.com, 4.81% of external traffic came to Amazon from referrals. Referrals are the influencers, bloggers, and other affiliates promoting the referral links of Amazon. 20.31% of external traffic came from organic searches. This is the traffic that comes from the search results pages like Google. As you see here, the percentage of it is high. On top of that, this is the free traffic to Amazon listings. When you make a product search on Google, you might have observed that Amazon products appear in the search results and they are typically among the first few results, as Amazon.com's domain authority is very high. So if you want to take advantage of it, you should better write your product descriptions by considering Google search engine optimization techniques. This approach is always a good practice to increase your chance of getting some part of this free traffic. If you are interested in learning Google search engine optimization for Amazon KDP listings, I am thinking about making a video about it soon. So make sure to subscribe and don't miss out on any future content. 5.63% of external traffic came from paid searches, like Google Ads. While a majority of consumers in the United States start product searches on Amazon, many shoppers still initiate their product searches on Google. This implies that advertising on Google can be a valuable source of traffic for your business. Of course, if you use it properly. It should be the subject of an individual video, but I will talk about this a little at the end of this video in the best practices section. 4% of external traffic came from social media like YouTube, Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, etc. If you check the below chart, Amazon.com gets most of its social media traffic from YouTube, followed by Facebook and Reddit. Seeing YouTube on the top of the chart was surprising for me because I thought that sellers or referrals use different social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok for marketing their products. After having this information, I am more interested in how to make product videos for my KDP books on YouTube. After my trials, if I think it is worth learning, I can make a video about it on this channel. It can be interesting because YouTube also have organic traffic and it is very huge. 2.82% of external traffic came from mail. Some sellers have a customer database for email marketing and they can retarget their existing customers by sending emails when they launch a new product. Email marketing should also be a subject of individual video, but I will talk about this a little in the best practices section of this video in a couple of minutes. So stick around. 0.4% of external traffic came from display advertising. Display advertising appears on third-party websites and uses video, image, or text elements to market products or services. You can pay for some sites which have good traffic in your niche to reach more customers. However, frankly, I haven't tried this before. Therefore, I am passing on the best practice part. Okay, now we come to the most important part of the video. What is the most common mistake sellers make while driving external traffic? And what are the best practices for driving external traffic to Amazon listings? The most common mistake most sellers tend to make is sending traffic directly to Amazon listings. When you do this, there's a big risk of reducing the conversion rate of your product. Imagine that you run a Facebook ad and someone sees and clicks it. However, it doesn't mean that he or she is ready or available to purchase your product when they see your ads. They might want to get more information or just want to check the price. Each visit to your product page without a conversion reduces your conversion rate. It means it reduces your rankings and product score. Most of the time, the external traffic you drive from social media is cold traffic because most people are not there for shopping and they have never heard of your business. So when running Facebook ads or any external ad source like Google Ads, you should send the traffic to a landing page first instead of directly to your Amazon listings. There are three main advantages of this approach. Firstly, sending traffic to a landing page can help you prevent people who are not interested in your product from visiting your Amazon product page. Secondly, you can warm up the visitor by giving more information about your product before they click your Amazon product link. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, you can collect valuable customer data through your landing page, such as email addresses. When you ask for their email addresses, it is better to offer benefits in return. For example, imagine you have a coloring book for adults. As a benefit, you can offer a free printable coloring page to get their email addresses. Additionally, you can put a Facebook pixel or Google pixel on your landing page that lets you measure, optimize, and retarget audiences for your ad campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, or Google. You don't need to be an expert in web design to create landing pages. There are many different tools which can help you create landing pages. CANVA is one of them. CANVA Free, CANVA Pro, CANVA for Teams, and CANVA for Education users can publish websites for free. I will put the link to this CANVA website builder site below in the description, so you can browse all the templates for business, fashion, portfolio, retail, and others. I recommend you check the CANVA website builder site for all the details. It is awesome because CANVA hosts your website for free at my.canva.site. For your information, on the free my.canva.site domain, CANVA Free users can publish 5 websites and CANVA Pro users can publish unlimited websites. This is genuinely perfect for the ones who publish KDP low content books in different niches. So you can create individual websites for all your medium and low content books on Amazon. Furthermore, if you want something more customized to your brand, you can still purchase custom domains inside CANVA. Besides this, CANVA Pro users can add domains purchased outside of CANVA to use in publishing websites. As I said, you can check this site for all the details and learn how to build your Canva websites for free. The link is below in the description. If you want me to show you how to make a landing page with Canva for Amazon KDP books, write to me in the comment section. I may make a video about it after this video. I hope this video was helpful. I will go into detail about another one of the factors that influence the Amazon KDP rankings in the next video. So make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.